The fall of 2004 in the United States was one of the most stormiest, so to speak, hurricane seasons that we've had in history. No less than 3 hurricanes hit the East Coast, primarily in Florida. Many people were killed, homes were devastated. In fact, many people were forced to leave their homes and move out of Florida, and some have never returned. You know, the storms of life are realities that we all face. Sometimes those storms take the form of losing a loved one or losing a job. Sometimes things just don't turn out the way we want them to. And those things can really rattle us. Just as hurricanes can rattle people physically, storms of life can really affect us spiritually and emotionally. But they're realities that we need to face and deal with. I've learned over the years that storms are relative to whoever we are. What may be a difficult storm for me may not be a difficult storm for my friend. But nonetheless, storms do come, and God uses those to help us to learn to trust Him and become better people as a result. In fact, how we handle today's storms determines how we're going to handle tomorrow's storms. Preparations for how we will pay our bills when it doesn't seem to be much money may be the very thing that prepares us for dealing with the fact that our car may have to get repossessed, or we may have some other bigger difficulty that we have to deal with. One of the things we have to do here at the mission with the men and eventually the women that we serve is we're trying to help them to learn to trust God in dealing with the realities of everyday life. So when difficult times or more difficult times come, they are prepared to do that. Check out our website at olivergospelmission.org. Find out how you can become more involved as a volunteer or a supporter of our work with the homeless in different ways.